Hey, good morning my friends. So I've got the bottom part of the actual turret here painted up and nearly complete. So the next stage is we'll have to build up the gun assembly here, and on that he'll have the gunner seat. So you've got the loader position and the commander position just there. And you can see the commander has his radio equipment and all that kind of stuff there. He's got a few rounds of ammo you can get access to. You can see, oops, sorry. You can see that there's MG ammo under there and fire extinguisher for the gunner. And then over here we've got all the ammunition, fire extinguishers and ammunition for the loader. Looks like the driver gets the best seat. He gets the lounge chair. But yes, it's really interesting to see how it builds up and how it all goes together, eh? It fits together very well. So I'll have to just detail this with a brush, and then we'll add some washes and all that kind of stuff to, you know, make it look a bit dirtier. But I've gone with a very sort of light blue, light Russian blue, interior blue for that. So like the floor, I did exactly the same as the floor, but I did the sides in a green, and I did the rear wall in a grey. So I'm just sort of thinking what colour I'll do the top part in, if I do it in the same or if I do it in the green or the grey. I have to work that out. This is a quick look at the 24th Panzer Stalingrad sort of region diorama going on. Starting to get closer. Got some foliage going on. Got the fencing painted that I built from scratch. Getting some grasses down and some flowers, some vines. And on this side there will be a little woodland, so there's a lot of leaves and that falling down. And on that side will be a bit of farmland, a bit of grazing land. And then 24th Panzer driving along the border to position with his motorbike. And also, in another video I showed you some of the new photo etch sprues that I've been getting. And I got some photo etch leaves, so I've just put them on and I've painted up this figure. And you can see it looks pretty cool. I've only, you know, given him one colour, the grey, so far. But it comes up pretty good. I like him. Then I've got the photo etch strap for the gun. Got photo etch headband to hold all the leaves in, and you've got photo etch actual helmet straps. Starting to look really good. Alright my friends, I hope you enjoy looking at the T-54 being built up, and I'll see you again soon.